Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are going to be making a classic chicken Parmesan recipe. The first thing we're going to do, we are going to prepare our chicken. Here I'm trimming my chicken breasts and we're going to slice them in half lengthwise. So we're going to end up with 4 chicken cutlets at equal sizes. Make sure that you pound your larger chicken breast to about a 1/3 inch thick. Now, for our ingredients, we have chicken breast, salt, pepper, eggs, Italian breadcrumbs. We have Parmesan cheese, shredded or grated, mozzarella cheese. We have marinara sauce, olive oil, all-purpose flour, fresh basil or parsley. Here we're adding some salt to our chicken, and then we're going to add our pepper. Okay, so we have our flour, our eggs, and our breadcrumbs in 3 different containers, which this is our setup when we're going to dredge our chicken. And in our third bowl, we have Italian breadcrumbs and a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. So in my flour, I added some salt and some pepper. Then we have our egg bowl. You want to make sure that your eggs are mixed well. So we're going to dip both sides of our chicken cutlet into the flour and top off the excess. And then we are going to dip it into our eggs, letting the excess egg drip off. And then finally, we're going to dip our chicken into our cheesy breadcrumbs. You want to press the cutlets into the bread to ensure a thick and even coating. We're going to let our chicken cutlets set for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to move on to frying them. You want to heat up a large pan over medium heat. You want to add enough olive oil or whatever you decide to fry your chicken in. Once it is hot, we're going to add our chicken in batches. Do not overcrowd the pan. I'm going to fry my chicken on both sides anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Once our chicken cutlets are done, I'm going to set them on the side onto a wire rack so that the excess oil can drain. Now we're moving on to adding our chicken. We're going to pour about half of our marinara into a baking dish. You want to arrange your chicken however you like in a single layer. We're going to top our chicken with our remaining marinara. And then we're going to cover it with some mozzarella. We're going to bake it on 425 uncovered for about 15 minutes. I want to add the mozzarella cheese to the top of my chicken. My chicken is done. I'm going to pull it out the oven and I'm going to garnish it with some green onions. You could use basil, parsley, whatever you decide to. I cooked some spaghetti noodles for my base and then we're going to add our chicken Parmesan on the top. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this,